We finally got our carrot cultivator out into the field for the third time. I've adjusted and readjusted, but unfortunately it's not working real well. I think the weeds are too big. You can see down the bottom right here, they're jamming everything up. And then they start to take the carrots out. So we have to resort to hand weeding, and then we'll run the cultivators after to try to prevent more weeds from coming. When we bought the combine, we bought 3 different harvester heads. So that's the front part here, which picks the grain up. And so I've put what's called a flex head on, and I'm going to try to harvest our disaster of peas. They looked really good at one time. Now they're full of weeds, they're flattened, and I don't know where the peas have gone. So I decided to do this on a Saturday so that I can just putter away at this and not have to worry about being somewhere or keeping some crew going. I wasn't able to take video while I was going, but by the end I kind of got the hang of it. This doesn't do it justice, but I love the view driving down off the hillside with the St. John River and the farm and the valley. Well, there's my 3 acres of peas. Probably didn't even pay for the diesel fuel to combine it, but it was a learning experience. After the deer, the bear, the turkey all helped themselves to the peas, this is all I have left. And my bird of the day is called a northern flicker. It's a type of woodpecker, but it also spends time on the ground. Very pretty bird, yellow underneath, with that red heart on the back of his head. We see them quite often, especially later in the summer like now.